self-destruct.
Sparked a cigarette with the click of a cricket. Self-substantiation at the bottom of bridges. The laughter and the rafter company to cure for cancer. So I boarded up my windows with a headache and a hammer. Internal slander, spit the jump mechanism. Imprisoned in the prisms of carpal tunnel vision. If you listen to the wisdom of the logic that I'm spitting, you'd understand the struggle always starts from within. This isn't an attempt, it's a bottle of lament. I drag my knuckles on cement before the scuffle in the trench. These self-inflicted dents seem to sink a little deeper. So now I'm spitting through a mic to beat the shit out of your speakers. Nephamuse, it's an alias for greatness, to glorify the beauty of the ugliness we face with. Cause these ghettos need a facelift, these suburbs need some substance. We should trade some soccer moms for a few graffiti artists. And I'm holding in my hand a tumor and some gauze. I attach it to my head before the trooper hit the knobs. Life is quickest to the gods, so they hit the game. I pause to gander back and question what the fuck is going on. Eden was decaying through the charming words of Satan. So Richard Pot and Ridley being littered in the playpen. The earth is imploding from the surface. The population doubled up and we don't even need a purpose. The clock began to tick to hype the grand finale. It's an open party, sucker, bring your friends and your family. You look into the sky waiting for the first combustion, but the audience exploded. Self-destruction, self-destruction. The clock began to tick to hype the grand finale. It's an open party, sucker, bring your friends and your family. You look into the